Many people believe they need to be rich to start investing. But here's the truth: if you keep waiting to be rich before you invest, you may never get there. I often hear people say there's nothing left at the end of the month to invest. If that's you, ask yourself, are you saving what's left after spending or spending what's left after saving? Because unless you treat saving and investing like a priority, there will never be a surplus magically waiting at the end of the month. Look around, some people you know have started small SIPs early in the life. Others are still waiting for a bigger salary. Who end up with more wealth? What do you think? Usually the one who started early, right? Because time in the market beats timing the market. One of the biggest myths around money is that investing is only for wealthy, but investing is what helps you build wealth. You don't need lakhs to begin. You need clarity, consistency, and a little budgeting. If you feel like you don't have a surplus to invest, here's what you can do. Start by tracking where your money goes each month. Pay yourself first. Make investing a non negotiable. Even rupees 500 or 1000 is a good start. Cut the small, invisible expenses. And as your income grows, let your SIP grow with it. Budgeting isn't about living a tight life, it's about realigning your money with your goals. When you start telling your money where to go, it won't just disappear. Don't wait to have more money. Start managing the money you already have. That's where true wealth begins. So, if you've been waiting for the right time or the right income to start investing, remember it's not about the amount, it's about the action. Don't delay unless you plan to stay financially poor. Comment below and tell us what's been stopping you from starting. Need help building a budget? Comment below and we'll send you a simple template to get started. And don't forget to follow us for more honest financial guidance.